everyone, this is Morse v. Frederick by Gianella, Kathy, and Arlene. In order to understand why this case ruled the way it did, we should quickly review two past cases. In Tinker v. Des Moines, students at a public school planned to wear black armbands to silent protest against the Vietnam War. The principal threatened to suspend students because he felt it may disrupt the learning environment, while the students felt this action would violate their freedom of speech. This case ruled in favor of the students, saying that schools could not prohibit against protests only on suspicion. This situation takes a different turn in Hazelwood v. Kohlmeyer, where a principal deleted articles in the school newspaper that students had written. This article contained personal experiences that students have had dealing with teen pregnancy and the impact of divorce. The students felt this action violated their First Amendment rights. This case ruled in favor of the school, claiming school officials could censor the content under extreme circumstances. Both of these cases deal with students who feel that their First Amendment right has been violated. The event of this case occurred on January 24, 2005 in Juneau, Alaska. Joseph Frederick, a senior at Juneau Douglas High School, held up a banner saying, "Bong hits for Jesus." This happened during an Olympic torch relay that went through the city and was broadcasted on their local news channel. Frederick attended this event as part of a school-supervised activity. The principal believed the banner could be interpreted as advocating illegal drug activity. Eventually, she took the banner and Frederick was suspended for 10 days, caused by violating school policy of forbidding advocacy for the use of illegal drugs.
The petitioner was Joseph Frederick. He argued that his First Amendment right to free speech was violated. He claimed that the banner was a form of political speech and was therefore protected under the First Amendment. Additionally, he argued that since the event was not a part of the regular school curriculum, the school did not have the right to regulate his speech. The defendant was Deborah Morse and the school board. Morse argued that the banner was disruptive to the school environment and promoted drug use, which violated the school's policy against such behavior. She claimed that the school had a duty to protect students from the promotion of illegal drug use, especially in a school-sponsored environment. The ruling was 5-4 in favor of Morse. The Chief Justice was John G. Roberts, Jr. The free speech clause of the First Amendment does not prevent school administrators from restricting student expression that reasonably is viewed as promoting the use of illegal drugs. The majority opinion cited Tinker v. Des Moines of 1969, in which the court stated that the anti-Vietnam War armbands that students wore at school were considered political speech that could only be prohibited if it disrupts the educational process. It found that Frederick's message was, by his own admission, not political, as was the case in Tinker. The court said the phrase "Bong hits for Jesus" reasonably could be viewed as promoting illegal drug use.
Morse v. Frederick helped establish that the First Amendment in fact does not prevent school administration from restricting student expression that could be viewed as promoting the use of illegal drugs or being deemed as a potential danger for students. Today, Morse v. Frederick has been applied as a precedent in numerous other instances or cases to limit student speech that has been deemed disruptive to the educational mission and safety of school districts.